Ishna's world. We are going to Athirappally Falls, Kerala. This is our road trip from Valparai, Tamil Nadu. We started early in the morning from Valparai and reached Chalakkudy Dam on the way to Athirappally Falls and Vazachal Falls. Distance between Valparai and Athirappally Falls is around 80 kilometers. Athirappally Falls is situated in Athirapally Panchayat and on the Chalakkudy river. Valparai to Athirappally Falls is best for scenic and dense forest where we can see most of the elephants, pandas, lion-tailed monkeys, different kinds of birds. Road trip will be amazing. We have to cross the forest checkpost. They will note down time and within 2 hours we have to cross the forest. We don't find restaurants in between. First we will go to Vazachal Falls. Spot anything? I saw that there is a lion-tailed monkey. Can you see it? It is black in color. Wow! I never saw black color lion-tailed monkey. I think you can see it because it is sitting on the branch. We reached Vazachal Falls. Let's go inside. This is on Chalakkudy river at the edge of Sholaya ranges. It is 5 kilometers from entrance of Athirappally Falls. Going to enter Athirappally Falls. Need to walk inside to reach the waterfalls. This is also called as Bahubali Waterfalls, where shooting is done here. See the entrance. There is a big star and small lights, and this is me. This is my sister. See, here we can see the waterfall. It is so beautiful, but it is too much sunny. Look how it is going with the hard force and so beautiful. This is the place where Bahubali shooting is done. Look at this, so beautiful. for watching. Like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon for notification.